Guys, we're going to take a pair of pants and we're going to make a backpack out of it. Because sometimes you've got to improvise to survive. Now obviously a backpack is your first choice, and you know there's some nice backpacks out here. This little Maxpedition, it's excellent. It's fairly expensive, but it's designed to ride on your back. But as Murphy always says, if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. And the time you need a backpack, you just might not have one available. We're using some LA Police Gear tactical pants, but you can use whatever you want to. I mean, you can use blue jeans or whatever that's handy. You'll need between 6 and 7 feet of paracord. This is 7 feet. And when you're buying paracord, get the 550 paracord with 7 strands. You can use each of these for different things, or you can use the whole piece. A pair of scissors or a knife to cut it, and a lighter to seal off the ends. Now the paracord continue to unravel and pull out, so the best thing to do is just to cut off the end. Take a lighter, heat it up, and that'll actually do it. Or you can take your fingers, lick them, and then just smooth out the end. Now we want this to be even, so I found my middle spot right here to be able to tie it first to the pants leg. So we're just going to take our pants legs, we're going to bring this around, and we're just going to tie a knot. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, but you do want it secure. Now we're going to fold around the knees. Just come up to where your belt loops are, and then you start to run your paracord through the belt loops on either side. And the belt loops make a natural anchor for the paracord. It's like these things were made for it. Now we're not going to tie off our cord yet. Here we have the knees that are going to serve as the bottom of the bag, and then we've got this attached, and again when we cinch this up it's going to make it really tight. Now I just put together some items to stick in here just like you would a normal backpack. It'll fit more than that, but this will be a good demonstration. Then just cinch up. Make sure you're good and tight. And if you want, you can actually just tie it in a knot, tie it in a bow. That way you're able to get in and out quickly. This definitely has an unusual look to it, but guys, this will work. When you're putting your backpack on, make sure your paracord is tied up at the top. That way nothing can fall out. The pants loops act as straps. So we're going to put it on. We'll see how it goes. Again, this was not designed for a backpack, but in a tight pinch, there you go. So I've got everything on. Hey, doesn't feel too bad either. Guys, to be honest, it's very comfortable. These straps or the pants legs just tend to be perfect for it. You got that space in the back, and the bigger your butt, the more room you're gonna have. And guys, if you really need a backpack and you don't have an extra pair of pants, I hope it's summertime. As far as walking around with it, it's surprisingly comfortable. No, I'm not throwing away my regular backpacks, but in a pinch, not bad. And much better than this. Just another tool to have in your survival toolbox. Sometimes you've got to improvise to survive. And those common household items, you never know what kind of uses you can get out of them. And guys, if you're serious about prepping and survival, check out Survival Dispatch Insider, one of the best resources on the web that's credible. They use a lot of the top names in the survival prepping world. We upload one video there every week that's exclusive to the Insider. I'll have a link down below in the description. It's well worth checking out. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Designed to ride on your back. You don't wear a backpack. That looks like crap. Oops.